Hello students, I am Miss Martina Archisemple and I will be teaching science to you lovely grade 5 boys and girls. Today we are going to cover what is the meaning of biodegradable. If we check a dictionary, biodegradable is an adjective referring to a substance or object, and if it is compatible of being decomposed by bacteria and other living organisms. Biodegradation is a breakdown of organic matter by microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi, or some of us say fungi. So you may be asking, what then are biodegradable? Basically, some of the items you regularly use are biodegradable. Items probably use it this morning, or you use it last night, or you use it this afternoon, or you use it earlier in the day. You use it sometime. They are fruits, vegetables, grains, flour, and bread. Paper cups, paper lunch boxes, clothes, wooden cutlery, the towels that you use to wipe and clean with and even dry your skin, yes, and things that are made of materials that can easily be decomposed. Okay, boys and girls, what does it mean if something is biodegradable? Biodegradable refers to items that can be composed and can be broken down by natural systems, and that would include microorganisms like viruses, bacteria, your leaf litter community, worms, fungi. These are the organisms that break things down into simpler substance. Basically, if anything can be returned to the environment easily, it will be biodegradable. Things returning to the environment are things that would enrich the soil and give the soil nutrients. You must be wondering by now, is biodegradable eco-friendly? Oh yes. While biodegradable products are generally eco-friendly, there are some downsides to it as well. For example, if you keep throwing the food in this bin, look how this bin looks. It looks dirty and it's overflowing, right? Now, and there is not enough oxygen here or organism to break it down. As a result, the biodegradable products will break down anaerobically. What is anaerobically? That means without oxygen, and that will create methane. What is methane? It's a greenhouse gas that is bad for the environment. But if we refine that same gas, we can use it to run our engines and even get electricity. So, what can you do? Make wiser decisions. Use products that are more recyclable. You know that sign that shows us with the arrow going up and then it going down like this, 3 arrows? Right, that is recyclable. So anything you see with that sign means that it is recyclable or it can be reused. And always reduce the amount that you consume. we would have heard the word decomposition. Decomposition is a process by which dead organic substances are broken down into simpler organic or inorganic matter, such as carbon dioxide, water, simple sugars, and other minerals. There are things around us which are made up of easily degradable materials, while others last for thousands of years without any significant decomposition. If we look at this computer here, do you think if we throw away this computer outside in our yard, next year we wouldn't see it there? What do you think? Okay, we have a glass bottle here and we have a big 5-gallon water bottle. Do you think if we put these things in the backyard, it would disappear, it would go into the soil? What do you think? Right, I was thinking the same thing. It wouldn't happen. A simple exercise for you to do to see what is biodegradable, what can break down and go into the soil. You would have to get 2 bottles. How many bottles did I say? 2 bottles. Right. You either have your jam bottles, your mommy have 2 jam bottles in the cupboard, or plastic bottles. Right, you have those big bottles that you have bleach in, you cut it in half, you fill it with mud, and we can use that as well. However, we're going to name one bottle A and the other bottle B. What are we going to do? We're going to fill them with mud. When we fill them with mud, we're going to put a piece of bread in bottle A and a piece of plastic toy material in bottle B. Then we're going to leave these bottles in the open and observe after 3 days which material is disappearing, or we say decomposing, or which is rotting, right? And then we're going to record our observation in our notebooks. All right, so there are 3 things I would want you to do. First, I want you to get some materials. Name these materials that you use from your daily life which don't rot. Our second question, does a plastic toy get rotten when left in open air for a few days? Third question, why is it advised to bury dead bodies of animals and the peels of vegetables in soil? Yes, boys and girls, for those of you who weren't here from the beginning of our session, let's recap what we would have done in this lesson. We said biodegradable is an adjective referring to a substance or object, and if it is capable of being decomposed by bacteria or other living organism. Biodegradation is broken down by organic matter, by microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi or fungi. Until our next lesson, stay safe. I am Miss Martina Archer Semple. Bye.